This would be a perfect gift, literally a perfect gift. This is gonna be mine though. Nobody's getting this. Hey kiddies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. So it's that time again. We have another FabFitFun unboxing, and this is the winter box. So believe it or not, we're already within that season, and I want to give a huge thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me today on this video, and we're gonna get into some goodies, y'all. Let's see what I got in this winter box. I kind of forgot what I picked out, but we'll open everything together. I haven't opened the box yet. It's still totally sealed. So let's get into some winter goodies. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's basically a subscription box, like a lifestyle subscription box, where you're getting a box for each season, so that's what, 4 times a year. So it's winter, fall, summer, spring. You are gonna be getting a box filled with 6 full-size products that you get to customize. You also have the option of going for the annual box, which you save about $60 a year if you decide to go annual. I think you get a little bit more bang for your buck. It's $219 per year for 4 boxes, okay? So 1 for each season. If you choose the monthly membership, that is $69.99. But you can use my code off your first box. You'll get 20% off. And if you decide to get more bang for your buck and go for the annual membership, you can still use my code and you're gonna get a free gift in your box valued at $200 or more. I can't make this up. And speaking of value, each box can be valued at up to $350. So the math absolutely makes sense. Now, this box is going to be filled with brands you are completely familiar with. So there's brands from different beauty, makeup, wellness, lifestyle, skincare brands like Fenty, Coach, Glossier, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Hourglass. You know I know the beauty room, okay? And those are brands that can be pricey. But if you're going to be getting 6 full-size products in one box, do I have to say anything else? Do I have to do the math for you, or have you already done the math? Because my math shows, please, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Now, I'll leave all the information in the description along with my code. So even if you decide to go for the monthly or the annual box, pick whichever one meets your lifestyle, because this box is meant to fit your lifestyle. So let's get into the box. So let's see what I picked, because I do not remember what I picked. So it's going to be like Christmas here, okay? So let's get into it. All right, so let's go ahead and have a little razor here. Let me cut this open, because like I said, I don't remember what I picked. So we're going to be going through these things together, and it's going to be like Christmas. Oh, how cute is this box? I told you, it's going to be like Christmas. Look at this. Look at the design. So cute. And you know, a really good idea when it comes to the winter box, we know the holidays are coming up. Pick 6 products that you can get for 6 different people for Christmas. With one box, you can take care of Christmas for at least 6 people in your family. Some of this wrapping out, the box is so cute, and we're going to be going through everything that's in my box. All right, so first let's start with the biggest box that's on top here. I can't remember what this is. It's kind of heavy. I'm trying to remember what it is. So these are the, these are the Brock Your Body. I know what these are. These are the Brock Your Body mini round ceramic coquette sets. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. This could be a perfect gift for someone. Now these are valued at about $48, okay? $48, considering, okay? So let's go ahead and open these up, because I do want to, of course, show you exactly what these look like. So in case you're about to, if you already have the membership and you're about to make your pick, you can see the size and see, you know, get a feel of everything. So let's see. These are the cutest sticky pots. They're cute little ceramic pots. Let me just pull this out. I think my mom would really like these. So this is what it looks like. Oops, sorry if it's loud. But this is, the color is so cute. It's perfect for the holiday season. We're going to be making different types of soups and different, like, just goodies. A lot of hearty eating when it comes to the holidays, but we're not going to get any holiday weight. We're not gaining any holiday weight. We are not gaining any holiday weight. Okay, put something healthy in here. These, I want to hold it in the palm of my hand so you can kind of see the size of it. Because sometimes online, it's really hard to figure it out. It's a really nice, small, cute, almost like a single serving pot of soup, you know? So this is it. It comes with 2, okay? So this is the first one. This is how deep it is inside. I love this. I think my mom will like this. I think I should get this to my mom. It would be cute for me, but I think my mom would appreciate this much more because she loves soup and she always makes it, and perfect for her. I'm gonna definitely give this to my mom. So this is the other one that comes along with it. Let me get all the boxes out of here. All right, and this is the ivory, or like an off-white color. So cute. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm trying not to drop it because I am Butterfingers over here, and if I drop it, I would be so hurt. All right, so this is the top, and this is how deep it is inside. I think this is a really, really, really great value, okay? This is normally $48, and to get this inside of a box, and I still have 5 more products to go through, win-win. I'm telling you, win-win. Oh, and another thing, if you guys decide that you want the annual box, you do get first dibs and access to flash sales that save you up to 70%. So girl, don't play with a sale. I don't play with a sale. My mom honestly would love these. And I'm gonna see her today, so I'm gonna bring it over. Or should I keep it? It's not even Christmas yet. Should I keep it? I don't know. All right, so the next item is in the beauty space, or the skincare rather, skincare. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's Ahava. Is that how it's pronounced? Not sure. This cleansing gel is valued at $28 for just this, $28, okay? And it's a full size, as you can see. It's a mineral radiance cleansing gel. It says here, energy, radiance, and protection. It's 100 ml. And let's see what the consistency is like. It has a little seal that comes there, but I like to peel it off so I can show you guys the texture, because I don't know, things like that to me matter when it comes to unboxing. So I try to make sure I do that. So let's just go ahead and see. This is the consistency of it. Can you guys see? Squeeze it up a little bit. It's a clear, there's no color. Let's see the smell. It has a nice clean, it does have a fragrance, but it's a nice clean lightweight fragrance. So if you're sensitive to that, you know, keep it in mind when getting this. It is fragranced, but it's a very light scent, but a scent nonetheless, okay? So I'm definitely keeping this. My mama's not getting this. I'm definitely keeping this. Is it Ahava? I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So let's just look at the back. It's a sulfate-free facial cleanser that purifies your skin and gently neutralizes external irritants for glowing, calmed, fresh skin. That sounds good to me. Sold. Sold. This is in the skincare, body care, self-care space, and listen, that's me all day. And this is by Rosie Jane. There's actually a perfume that I wanted to get by Rosie Jane. But this is called the Everyday Body Milk, and it's the Chill, and it's peppermint, mandarin, and cypress. And it just reads here, it says, unwind and hydrate. Our light, milky formula offers instant hydration and helps to even skin tone. A toner and a moisturizer combined. It tightens skin and leaves it silky smooth. Our Everyday Body Milk instantly absorbs with no white cast. It feels like sleeping in silk. So this is good for uneven texture, and it's anti-aging. Give me some of that. So this is what the package looks like. And this is valued at $28 for just this. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's so cute. On here it has a warning label, and the warning label says extreme delight plus happiness may be experienced. Okay then. Wow, this is such a high quality bottle. So it's a glass bottle. It literally looks like milk in this bottle. Okay, and it's the Everyday Body Milk, and the name caught me because it's called Chill the I don't know. I just like that kind of language every now and again. So let's go ahead and open it. And you can see the consistency is a little bit like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a little bit watery. So let's pump some out. Okay. So you can see how runny it is. Endless. This feels really good. This is one of those formulas straight. Oh, this is really relaxing. It's like aromatherapy. But this is something that you put straight out of the shower. When your body is still like damp, not completely dried off, you go ahead and put this on and lock in moisture. It's extremely lightweight and it smells literally like a spa. I like this. Yeah. Yes. If you were thinking about getting this in your box, get this, please. Look at it. Get it. Yeah. Let me show you my skin after it has the body milk on it. Really glowy, nice, but lightweight and non-greasy, non-heavy at all. It smells good. Okay, the next item is a piece of jewelry, and this is by Ana Luisa. It is a stainless steel 14 karat gold plated necklace, and this is valued at $75. That's more than a seasonal box, just so you know. So let's take that out. It comes in this little envelope here. See, these are perfect gifts for the holidays. Like, these are literally perfect gifts. One box, 6 people. One box, 6 people. That's how you take care of holiday shopping. Okay, so it comes in this tricky plastic here that is very close to pissing me off. This is so cute. Look at this. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna have to put this on. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You know what, let me take this necklace off because, all right guys, so this is the necklace. It sits so nicely on the neck. Just so you guys can see what it looks like, I'm gonna have this on for the rest of the video. It's so cute. Valued at $75. This would be a perfect gift, literally a perfect gift. This is gonna be mine though. Nobody's getting this. But in case you're looking for gift ideas, this would be a good gift for someone. You can put this in your box and gift it because Christmas is literally next month. Literally next month. That looks really cute. I love the necklace. I just love the way this sits on my neck. We're not done. So we've opened 4 things so far. We still have something else in here. More jewelry. I got a bracelet. More jewelry. See? Good gift. So this is by the brand Etika. Okay, so this is a 18 karat gold plated adjustable crystal bracelet. Let's open it up. Oh, cute. So it comes with a little satin pouch. This is so cute. Oh my God, I keep saying these are good gifts because they really freaking are. Like, and it has the adjustable little knot here for the, oh my gosh. So you can just pull this down to make it bigger or wider. This is how you adjust it. Just gonna pop it here on my hand. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm just slowly pushing it down. Actually, I want it to be a little bit more loose than that. Okay, so this is the bracelet. Oh my God, it's so cute. So this is it. I love this detail. I love this detail. I actually have a bigger bracelet with an adjustable detail like this, and I think it's so cute. And look how that looks, like on the hand. I like it a little loose, or if you want it a little loose, you just pull that. I like it a little loose though, but this is beautiful. Like, so cute. I had a good box. My box was a good box. I have a good box. I want to know what you guys are planning on putting into your box, or what you're trying to decide between. I really want to know, what do you guys think? Were you looking at some of these things? Did I seal the deal for you? Because I really want to know. I would really love if I was the one that helped seal the deal for you. I am in love. My favorite item so far is the necklace and then the bracelet. Or is it the bracelet then the necklace? I don't know, all of them, both of them. I really just want to do the rest of the video like this. Got another thing to check out. All right, so the last thing is actually, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right. I think it's pronounced Gaiam. This is a safety alarm. So if you do, like me personally, I do walks in the morning, like after I drop my son off to school, I do walks. I mean, not just walks, but I go to the grocery store, anything where I'm just out in the world by myself. This is a safety alarm. It makes a really loud noise. So if for some reason, hopefully you never have to click this alarm, but if for some reason you are in danger, this will help alert people in your surrounding areas. It's going to create a very loud noise. Let me just take it out of the pack. I'm not going to do that now, but let me just take it out so you can so I can show you. So here's where the battery goes. This is it here. You can put it on your key ring. If you decide to get this, of course, you would just read the instructions. I'm about to let my husband read the instructions. This is how it looks on the pamphlet. This person just has it hooked on their purse or their pocket. Maybe that's probably better than having it on your keys, because a lot of times you put your keys away in your purse. It's better to have it on your body, I think. Actually, that's a good idea. Even like the belt loops of your pants, click on the side of your shirt, just something close by to make a loud noise. It doesn't even have to be like another human being attacking you. Like, what if you see like a raccoon? Are raccoons afraid of loud noise? I don't know. But this maybe scare them off or something. I don't know. So this is a good idea, along with probably pepper spray too. Okay, that would be a good idea. But I thought this was great during the holidays. Instances where people are being unfortunately attacked or even robbed, like having a little something to create some attention, to possibly scare that person off, would be a great thing to have, not just for the holidays, but like every day, especially as a woman. So inside it does have, these are the type of instructions that I like, picture instructions. So you can see how you can activate it and deactivate it and how you can actually use this. But I saw this in the lineup and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get that. It's not always about being cute or having pretty things that help your safety, a good pick too. And that safety alarm is valued at $30. So just on me showing you what I got in my box, you can see how worth it the FabFitFun subscription is. Hopefully you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. We can chit chat in the comments. The last video I did, I met some really nice ladies on that video. So if you have anyone that you want to share this with, feel free to share the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, be sure to come back, watch another video, because I'm more than likely going to be doing another one of these unboxings and you don't want to miss it. All right, so be sure to subscribe. Bye, guys.